Hi and welcome again to the Island Gardeners, and this is the plant of the week. This week we'd like to share with you our June Plum. And June Plum is one of those plants from the South Pacific and Asia. And the beauty about this plant, why we love it in our garden, is that they start producing at this stage. And they produce right throughout the year. This is a dwarf June Plum, and they produce right throughout the year. We have a lot of them, as we'll show you in a short while, that are already producing fruits. Now, the June Plum is unique in that not only do they produce all throughout the year, but you can eat them at any point during the development. Not only that, but you can also eat the tender leaves, add them to your salad, and they add a nice citrusy flavor to your salads. Now, when you're eating the green June plum, they're very hard and crunchy, closer to an apple. And as you let them, we usually eat that with spices, pepper, salt. And as they develop a bit more and become golden yellow, we would naturally, they would naturally have a mango pineapple type of flavor to them. So the June plum in that regard is very versatile. The other thing about the June plum, is, the dwarf ones especially, is that they tend to stay very small and bushy, and we can grow them as a patio plant, keep in the landscape if you wish, and they don't take up much space. So this is a very versatile plant that we recommend for persons in their garden, for the main fact that if you're starting a permaculture garden or any garden that you want to have fruits, this will give you fruit throughout the year, or you can use the leaves as a part of your juicing regimen, or your salads. We have these available in the Island Gardeners for sale, and these plants are only $40 for a 3-gallon plant right now. Thank you again for joining the Island Gardeners. See you soon. So I will share with you what they look like down here. Yes, so these are the June plums that are on the tree, the dwarf ones. As you can see, there are different stages here. Flowering, new plants developing. This is going to be flowering again soon, and that's how it is. So the June plum is also known as the golden apple because as they change from this, they have a nice golden color to them, or the Ambarella. All right, thank you guys, and hope you feel to add one of these to your garden. Until next time, join us again on the Island Gardeners. Take care.